Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to upload your PDF syllabus into Canvas. On the home page at the top right-hand corner, click on Edit. In the Rich Content Editor, scroll down until you can see the Syllabus button image. Click on this image, and you'll be able to tell that it's selected because you'll see a blue box appear around it. Also, 3 options are going to pop up above that image, and we want to select the middle option or Remove Link to clear all the previous formatting. Now, with the button still selected, go up to your menu for the Rich Content Editor and click on Insert, click on Document, and then select Upload Document. This will open the Upload File dialog. So here, click on the rocket icon so you can browse your computer for your PDF syllabus file. Locate and select your PDF file. Click on Open. Now you're going to see the file listed here in the dialog box, so you can finalize this process by clicking Submit. You're going to see the syllabus button flash yellow, and that means that the link has been created and that document is now uploading. Now that we're done with creating the link, we'll click Save at the bottom right-hand corner. And finally, we'll test our work by clicking on the Syllabus button. It might take a minute initially, as the document is still uploading, but what you should see is a PDF you uploaded opening in a new window.